earthquake warning because of the planetary alignment that we're heading into. This could cause major earthquakes this week. This is also what Terrell Blackstar was warning us about. If you look at my videos from yesterday, earthquake warning because of the planetary alignment. Sean Martin Express UK reports the large seismic unrest. We've even had largest earthquakes in Hawaii, Mauna Loa and Kilauea recently, and also upticks in the area around Yellowstone. Even in the East Coast, even off Canada. It's amazing. Now large seismic unrest may occur this week as one mystic warns that the planets in the solar system are tugging on Earth's tectonic plates. On April 13, the moon was in relative close proximity to our Earth, and that means it could trigger an earthquake in the next few days, according to one forecaster. Because of the moon's position, as well as other planets in our solar system, are having an effect on Earth's crust, this could cause an earthquake. This is according to earthquake forecasting website Ditranium. It's run by researcher Frank Hugerbeets, and he believes that the other celestial bodies in our solar system are pulling on Earth and therefore will tug on Earth's crust through their gravity, causing tension to build in Earth's tectonic plates. And once that tension is unleashed, it's released, that means it could end up with a major quake across the globe. There's no indication as to when this will happen or where it will take place, but the predictions are earthquakes may strike, could be a tremor around magnitude 6, which may cause a lot of damage in very populated areas, according to experts. Well, we've had a number of quakes around 6, even 6.8 in the, especially the Ring of Fire lately. So Hugerbeets wrote on his website, April 16, a lunar peak on the 13th may trigger larger seismic activity around or over 6 magnitude. Seismic unrest may also occur later this week, following lunar and planetary geometric peaks. Now, the Dutch researcher also reached his conclusion using the Solar System Geometry Index, SSGI for short. It is a computation of a database for a specific time frame of values given to specific geometric positions of the planets, the moon, and our sun. And he said after 3 years of studying this and observing what takes place, it became clear to him that some planetary geometry in the solar system clearly tends to cause a seismic increase, while other geometry does not. However, experts previously dismissed Hugerbeets' claims, saying that there is no way earthquakes can be predicted. Well, I beg to differ. I differ from that. There are instances where there is a great probability of earthquakes taking place in an area. John Bellini, a geophysicist at the U.S. Geological Survey, has said, "We cannot predict or forecast earthquakes. Sometimes before a large earthquake you'll have a foreshock or two, but we don't know their foreshocks until the big one happens." Now, he talks about earthquakes. Of course, it's not just earthquakes. He's talking about seismic activity, which has to do, of course, with geologic activity, which has to do with volcanic earthquakes as well. As we've seen in various areas, Yellowstone, which is a volcano, and wherever you have fault lines, basically, and volcanoes are definitely structured, located around fault lines. So it's not just earthquakes. We may see an uptick on volcanic activity, especially around the Ring of Fire, which is rattled by all these earthquakes lately anyway. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.